Namaste dear students. I am preparing homemade cough syrup. This can be used for the kids as well as for the elders. 1 or 2 betel leaf, and this is Karpuravalli we say. Okay, and some basil leaves. Okay, we should. So I take this betel leaf, Karpuravalli, and some basil leaves. We should slightly heat it up on the pan. Keep it in a low flame. So keep this leaves on the pan for 1 or 2 minutes. Once it gets softened like this, we can turn off. Once it gets softened, we can turn off. Smash this all well. Just squeeze this, you will get a good juice from it. So for this juice, I am adding half a spoon or 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well. Homemade cough syrup is ready to consume. You can take this syrup every day, morning or evening. If you have a severe cough and cold, you can consume it for 3 times. 1 teaspoon is enough. 1 teaspoon morning, afternoon and evening if you have more cough. Or else you can take 1 time a day. So my daughter, she was having cough. I'm giving it. How's it, Rumi?
Super.
Nice? Yeah, good.